Hey guys, today I will be playing a game that I play a lot. Water physics. It's called water physics. This is not SS Atlantic is not part of the game. Like the name, I mean, but it's like the new ship that's been added. When you do join it, it's like make your own private server kind of what it does, not exactly. So you know how when you'll join a game and it's empty and like even after like 10 minutes there's no one in the game? Either it's just a dead game or it's like this where you have to join a public game. I prefer private games though, because if you click on create private lobby, that's where your friends can join. They have paddle steamer, SS Atlantic, City of Bloxia, car ferry, cargo ship, Britannic, cruise ship, Titanic, Bloxia, Nomadic, and the Carpathia. Three historical ships. Maybe more, I don't know. But I know this is a real ship, this is a real ship, and this is a real ship. Oh, this one is too. This historic ship famously sank in the 1800s. And then I don't know about the others. I know this, and this are based off real ships. But you can actually turn off the hazards like the icebergs and sea mines. I always turn them off because there's too many of them. And I also turn off the waves kind of. And I always spawn the exterior only of Titanic, because see how big this thing is? If you spawn that in the whole thing, it lags like bad. Unless you have a really good PC or something. Like a really good PC that can handle this. But my phone can't handle this. I did play a game known as Roblox Titanic. I really like that game. It's kind of like a story form of the sinking of the Titanic back from 1912. I hate when this happens. I fall from like your spawning point and then the camera falls with you. Hate that. But it's still a really fun game. Ooh, yeah, I can sink it. It's sinking already. Is that well, oh, did I mention you can spawn NPCs? But I'm gonna do it. I know it's a bit blocky, but still really good though. It's still a really fun game. Sometimes if you use the sources, they fill it up with water. You can clearly see the bow slowly going under. Do you notice that? It's going under. Kind of want it to... what I like to do is I leave the sea depth at 1,500 because that's how deep it is. Especially for the Titanic because it sank in really deep water. Sank, I think around 400 miles from the shore of Canada and the U.S. Because I remember looking it up, but I remember it being from like 350 to 400 miles away. Oops, torpedoed the Titanic. I mean, it's helping it go under the ocean. Whatever ocean you want to call this. Right now, I'm just going to have it as the North Atlantic. Just so I can make the Titanic. You can see the bows going under. Ooh, this game has falling funnels. You can turn them on and off. Oh, right, I forgot to change it to nighttime, where the time of day Titanic sank. Nighttime. You know what? I'll set it to as close as to the night Titanic sank as possible. Maybe 1 hour. 1 a.m. That's what time I'm doing. There goes the bow of the Titanic. Oh my gosh, it's sinking. It's sinking fast, too. I might not summon NPCs. I won't have time. Because look it. The bridge is already about to flood. It's going down too fast. Actually, I think it's going down at a decent size. Or speed. It's already almost... The bridge has already almost flooded. I think this is part of the bridge right here. No, I think it's just this really high area right there. Not down there. I don't know how it works on ships. Because I've never been on one. And I really want to. I want to be on a cruise. Especially. Because I've heard some have like pools and sometimes even water slides. That'd be super fun. Is it ever gonna go down? Okay, yeah, it's going down. She's going down a bit. Slowly. These funnels will fall when the water gets like, I think like right here. And usually what I do is I wait till two funnels have fallen, where the entire stern is sticking up in the air like the movie. And then I split it. I split her in half. I'm gonna ignore those notifications. Okay, I think I'm raising the water by doing that. Raising the water. Just 2 holes is making it sink. She's sinking. Oh no! The bridge is flooding now. Oh, there goes the bridge under the ocean. See, watch the funnel. It's about to fall. She's sinking too fast. She's actually sinking way too fast. She's also tilting, though she's not supposed to. I'm gonna pause that. Okay, I might split her now. Sometimes it lags due to the ship being so big. See, there, you can't even tell I'm on the Titanic. Well, actually you could. There's the Britannic. I wish they had the Olympic, which was one of the other sister ships of Titanic. Because Titanic had 2 sisters, Britannic, which is in the game, and Olympic. Here's why Olympic didn't sink instead of Titanic. I know some people believe that Olympic was the one that actually sank, not the Titanic, but I'll tell you why that's not true. Because the letters were actually carved into the Titanic, and then they were painted yellow. So that's why it's not true. It's because the letters were carved into the ship, not like put on there. That's why. Oh my goodness! What's happened? That's not how the Titanic sinks. You know what? I'm gonna get the Britannic, spawn, environment, unless I do camera. Sometimes that always works. Do it in the morning because the Britannic sank earlier in the morning. I'll go down this way. I'll go down in here. I really can't wait till Christmas. I'm excited. Though it's going to be like any other Christmas. But it means 2026 is closer. You know, I kind of can't wait till 2026. Because legends say there's going to be a great meme reset. Where everyone's trying to like reset old memes and bring them back. I actually took part in that. I took part in it, and then I don't know how many views it got. I don't feel like checking this moment. And I also really couldn't check it even if I wanted to, because I'm filming right now. Unless I'm not. To do that, though the Britannic didn't sink in deep water, It did sink in shallow water, but I'm still gonna leave it, sink it. Why is it sinking like its counterpart, Titanic? Like, watch. I'm gonna put these over here. Oh no. It's sinking like her counterpart, Titanic. That's not supposed to happen. I hate when this happens. When I try sinking the Britannic, it's actually how she did. Like where she tipped. Okay, I might split her. There's really no point. I'll just split her. What is she doing? What are you doing, Britannic? Why aren't you splitting? I told you to split. There she goes. She split. But now it's not accurate because now she's sinking like Titanic. But in day. Ridiculous. You know what? If she keeps sinking like this, which I'll split her right now. See how the Britannic reacts? Nothing happened. Right, I'll spawn the Carpathia. I know it sank, and I don't know how many years after Titanic, but I know it did sink a few years after Titanic. After it saved all the people that survived. I fell into the ocean again. I'm not British. Again, don't ask if I just randomly talk British. I'm not British. That's the only thing. Why is it sinking from the back? If I cover the entire side of the ship with just these things, I can have her sink. That might have been a bad idea. Split. That just did nothing. Okay, I'll do a ship that's super easy to sink. Bloxia. I'm gonna get on a lifeboat because I do not want to go down with the ship. So I'm gonna do all of the. Oh no! It fell into the ocean. No! Well, hey, at least I get a lifeboat. That you know. I can't even flip it. How do I? Oh no! I can't. I'm gonna have to reset my character. Okay, so, you know how oh no! That's what I do. I spam it. Then I can do my camera. Go to the front of the ship and sink her. Or he. Probably her though, because usually steamships are females. No! Don't sink like that. You're not. You know what? Fine. If you want to sink kind of like Titanic, I'll allow you to sink a little like her. Maybe a little too many holes. No, I think it might be the perfect amount because she wouldn't go under. Don't. Please don't. I think she's going to be sinking like Titanic. Yeah, she's sinking like Titanic. She just keeps bobbing side to side. Wait, when is the bow gonna flood? Oh, her bow's about to flood. And there goes her bow, starting to flood. She's going under. She's going under! Oh no. You wanna know what? If she does go under like Titanic, which she is right now, with only one funnel, so she's kind of like a different version of Carpathia, but less realistic and more blocky. Okay, are you ever gonna go under? I'm waiting for you. Hang on, I have to check if it's still recording. Yep, still recording. Perfect. Okay, well, oh no. That's helping it. She's going down too fast. What? Ah! Something is happening to her. I could split off her bow a bit. But what does that do? Nothing, really? Technically nothing. I just wanted to do it so she sinks faster. It's probably a she though, because like I said, I think steamships are mostly females. Known as a female at least. Because the Titanic was a steamship, it was a female. Britannic was a steamship, female. And then Olympic steamship, female. Uh-oh! She's going down. Ah! Uh-oh, I think I split my boat. Something's happening. What happened? What the heck? I might have to observe from the top. Something actually happened. How long did I... Okay, I'm confused. I'm going to play as the cruise. I'm going to drive the cruise. You can actually drive them. But I'm going to spawn some NPCs now. 100 people. Plus me, so 101. I'm going to spawn... Then I'm going to spawn a tsunami, which is coming. Passengers! There's a tsunami. I repeat, there's a tsunami. Covering the sun. Oh my goodness, passengers, this may be the end for all of us. And she split. Uh-oh, the cruise ship splitting? That sounds realistic. No, I'm kidding. It sounds kind of unrealistic, but cruises could split in case of sinking. Oh my goodness, they're upside down. And now they're going down too. No. What I'm going to do though is make the sea depth a lot lower, because then they won't be going down as far. We're actually fairly close to the shore. You know what? You're splitting now. Confused. Where did the... Oh, that's where the other half of the ship went. Me silly. There. Now it's super shallow for the ship, at least. You know what? I'm going to leave the water as its depth, but I'm going to sink the cruise differently. So I'm going to drive it, of course. And then I'm going to get a hole where I can just place a hole in the ship. Now she's going bow first. Uh-oh, she's tipping! Or he. I don't know how it works with cruise ships. Probably a she, because the cruise ships usually run on steam. She's been torpedoed. I'm going to torpedo her. And she's sinking. She's sinking. Stop it! No, I would need her to go balanced. All right, I get it. You're sinking. I'm going to get out of the ship. Not actually out. Shoot. The passengers are probably confused. Oh, wait, there's no passengers. Now there are. Now there are passengers. Oh my goodness. There she goes. Ooh, it just crashed. Something just happened to the bow of the ship. I'm acting like I don't know what happened. Something just happened to the front of the ship. I think it split off. Now it's getting under us. Passengers! Captain will go check. Captain will go check downstairs for any type of damage. Ah! Light! My eyes! I don't know what this is. Elevators? Ooh, these are the stairs. I can go down. Oh no. Passengers, get ready to maybe evacuate. Because something is definitely happening to the ship. Wait, what's happening? Why is the water rising? Fudge. I'm cooked. No, I'm done for. Close. Which, unfortunately, these things don't go any past this deck. Unfortunately. Now we have to... Oh my gosh, the ship is tipping. Close. Close! Oh, right. They don't go any higher than this level. Fudge. Done for. I'm done. I have to evacuate this way. Confused. Oops. Now I'm trapped in the ship. I might as well just go outside of the ship now, like this. Wait, did the ship break? Oh wait, yeah, I broke it. Me silly. I think it's this way. I don't know where the back of it is. I could get out. Oh, I was near the front of it. Well, it's going down already, so it's kind of late. Okay, there it goes. Oh, right, I never mentioned anything about it, but this might actually be the longest video I've ever had. I don't know. But I'm just gonna wait and see. If it's not my longest video, I'll notice so you guys won't have to tell me. I'll correct myself in the comments if it's not my longest video. Ooh, and there goes the ship, mostly. I could break that in half so it starts sinking. Like that, yeah. There's a literal pool in this thing. I hate when that happens. Because I'm always confused. Well, actually, I hate when that happens. Wait. What is it doing? Oh, it's lifting. Because I'm putting stuff back here. I'm gonna split that maybe? Yeah, so it falls. If it falls on top, I'm gonna be like, what the? Oh, what just happened? What is happening? I'm confused. actually confused. What is happening? I just destroyed the bottom part. The bottom part is like, I don't want to stay together anymore. Breaks apart. That's what's happening to the entire ship. It's like that it doesn't want to hold apart. It's breaking so easily. Yeah, you're going to come down here and say your final moments to me. Goodbye. And then there's actually a setting where I can change the underwater Rusty, so I'll be able to make it seem like it's been here for years. And there it goes. That's actually coming down now. And nothing goes back to the surface. Nothing. Oops, what did I do? I think I shattered it. Yep. Well, it's absolutely destroyed. Well, I'm gonna... Actually, wait, I can get out now, finally. Setting. No. Actually, yeah. See, look, it makes everything down here rusty. Hee, it's been here for years. Somehow stuff is floating up still. That's fine, I'll split it if it keeps trying to go back up. Oh, that made it worse. Oops, part of the lifeboat got rusty. Oopsies. I'm gonna probably sink one or two more ships, and then I'm gonna end the video. This is gonna be the easiest one to sink, because this is all I'm doing. And there I go. And there it's tipping. But yeah, it's tipping right now. I could split it. There it goes. I'm gonna add so many sources that it sinks super fast. So many of these will probably sink it insanely fast. Unless I turn up the water density. Yeah, there we go. I'll try to do the same thing to Britannic now. That I was trying to do earlier. Okay, moment of truth. We might actually do it. Britannic is going to sink exactly how it did. Maybe. Yeah, let's go. It's actually going down now. Wait, how did I actually get it to go down like it's in the movie? 1 falls, 2 falls. Just when you hit the seafloor, turn. Oh, we might have a really good recreation here. Holy cow. Oh no, it's tipping upside down. Actually, no, it's not. Where's the bow? I have to find the bow. I did it. I kind of recreated Britannic here. Then I'm going to do kind of like what it did in the movie. What just happened? Where did it go? The bow is missing. All I did was split it. Watch, I'm going to do it again. And then, oh, never mind. And why did it do that to the bow? I think the bow had a ton of air in it. What is happening? That's funny. You know what? Since I think that's super quick, let me get Titanic out. I'm gonna get the Titanic. Gonna put the sea depth at max. Gonna go to the front of the ship. And I'm gonna put a single hole in it. Uh-oh. Oh! One, two, split! There, it's going down. Kind of faster than it should have. You know, I keep thinking I'm so fast, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a nice SS Atlantic once. I'm going to turn up everything to max. One hole ends the entire thing. But yeah, this is gonna be the last one, I think. It's sinking so fast that it doesn't even want to sink. How fast is this thing gonna go to the bottom of the ocean? It's gone. It's actually gone. That part should have been underwater. What the? Well, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.